My name is Marilyn Mayer. I am the mayor of Trainer. Everybody calls me Mayor. I've been involved with Trainer Borough in almost every aspect for over 50 years. This is my home. I want my home to be safe. I want the residents to feel safe. Being the mayor, I am in charge of the police. I'm a proactive person instead of reactive. What if somebody was to ambush them if they're bringing in a prisoner or taking out a prisoner? That's how my mind works. So it was very important for me and to have the police station all enclosed.
Last year, we were able to move into this brand new facility, which is amazing. There's a lot of things we did not have that we needed that we have here. We really had no access control there. Everything was done by keys. Keys were lost quite frequently. So it was an old way of doing things to have everybody have a belt load of keys to try to get in certain doors. And it was hard to restrict people because you had to have different keys that give guys that could only go in one room. So some guys had a lot of keys, some guys didn't, and this system took care of all that.
Officer safety is something that people don't realize that they're at risk every time they enter or exit their building. Well, with door access and with PDK, it gives them the feeling that they are secure and that they're going to be secure. PDK, unlike other systems, allow you to partition out a location. So basically, partitioning out the location allows you to separate the building and or buildings or doors or groups of doors, depending on what you need to do with it. In this current scenario, we have a police department that is connected to a township building. They all work as one team, but the access needs to be limited. The administrative side can't come over and interact with the police side unless they're specifically given access. And PDK allows you to lock that access down to a single door, doors, time, date, whatever you want to lock it down to. It's specifically tailored to what the end user wants to do.
Sometimes we have meetings, we're in the other room and we have the door closed. Now, if our front door was open, anybody could come in and whatnot. We wouldn't know it because we wouldn't hear it. But now we can keep the door locked and only the people that are supposed to be here have the fob and they can get themselves in. So it's much, much more secure. I mean, it's simple, it's easy, you know, and I love it.
I'm not a big tech person, but from the time we started using the system, it was extremely easy for me to pick up and for the rest of the guys. So the ease of use was important. A lot of times someone either lock themselves out or forget their phone, forget their fob. So being able to do this from our phones, we're able to open and close every door in this building, which was fantastic. I would definitely recommend PDK to any other department.
It makes a huge difference to actually feel like you're safe. You don't have to worry about things. Now, I hope everybody gets one of these because it really does make a big difference.